Make $700 per day from your phone. If you are using your phone for most of the day, you are still not making money, it's all your fault. You can actually make around $700 a day just from using your phone. Hard to believe it, right? Well, believe it because it's true. This is the laziest side hustles you will ever come across, and it's powered by AI. I was surprised when I saw the success stories of people using this method, like Holly Johnson, for example, making over $22,000 a month. Users like Owa Vito and Ryan Robinson are raking in $30,000 to $50,000 every month. Those are real numbers from real people who are allowed the exact step you are about to learn. It's not an outdated scheme, mind you. It's a try and true method that's still paying off big for so many people. But while this method has the potential to generate substantial income, it's important to understand that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Success requires effort, consistency, and hard work. Your results depend on the effort you invest, so be prepared to put in the work if you want to see real success. Number 1, choosing your blog topic. Alright? So let's start with the most important part of blogging. Choose the perfect topic. This is where a lot of people get stuck, trust me. The answer is simpler than you think. It's actually the fun part. I will take you through how you can nail this process with just a few smart moves. The first thing to understand is that blogging is not just about writing anything and everything. Sure, you can write a personal diary if you want to, but if you want people to read your blog and grow an audience, you need to pick a topic that resonates with others, and that's where the magic happens. For example, in this case, I'm going to talk about the Premier Leagues. Why? Because it's something that people are interested in. It's trending and people love it. Football is a global obsession, and let's be honest, who does not want to talk about their favorite teams? Even with me using the Premier Leagues, know that the topic of your blog can be anything. You could talk about anything, whether it's sport, entertainment, technology, health and wellness, gaming, food, or anything else that you can think is cool. The key to success lies in selection, something that's current and relevant, something that people are already interested in. So how do you find those trending topics? This is where tools like Google Trends comes into play. It's one of the best free tools to help you find trending topics. Google Trends allows you to see what people are searching for across different countries and topics, and it provides a real-time views of what's trending in the world right now. Using Google Trend to find your blog's topic. Google Trend is a great way for discovering what's popular and what people are looking for. If you are serious about blogging, it's important to stay on top of trends to make sure your content has an audience. Here's how you can use it to your advantage. Google Trend lets you explore trending topics across various topics like news, sport, entertainment, and others. Simply type a keyword related to your interest into the search bar and see how much interest is in that topic and how much it fluctuates over time. For example, if you are interested in the Premier Leagues, type it in and you see how its popularity has changed in the past month or years. This allows you to see patterns or pick a hot topic while it's still fresh. Once you have entered your keyword, you can also see related results. This is great for finding subtopics in your topic that people are curious about. For example, if you are blogging about a specific football player, you might see that people are searching for his stats, upcoming games, or interviews. Those related responses can help you narrow down your focus and give your blog more specific appeal. Another cool feature of Google Trends is that you can see which countries have the highest search interest in a specific topic. If you are targeting a specific audience, this is an important feature for you to understand. For example, if you notice a lot of searches for Premier League teams are coming from the UK, you can target your content toward that audience. If your blog focuses on a global sport, understand regional interests help you expand your content and reach more readers. Using Google Trends gives you the ability to make decisions about the topic you choose based on data. But picking a trending topic is just the beginning. After you have found something that interests you and has potential to make a large audience, it's time to start writing your blog post. Number 2, ChatGPT versus any word. Now that you have got your topic, it's time to get writing, but Before you start, let me tell you that there are tools that can make writing your blog post less of a hassle. Two of my favorite tools are AnyWord and ChatGPT. Both of those tools can help you create high-quality content quickly and effectively. But there are some differences between them. Let's look at them and see which one fits you the best. Using AnyWord to create blogs. Let's start with AnyWord. This tool is designed to make creating blogs easier. Some use it whenever they need to pump out content quickly, and I am not exaggerating when I say it's a total game changer. The best part, it's free. All you need to do is visit the website anyword.com and you'll be able to create an account and get started right away. Once you are logged in, you will want to click on the blog wizard button on the left side of the screen. Now this is where the magic happens. Click on blog post from scratch and you will be asked to enter your topic. For this example, let's say we are writing about the Premier Leagues. Paste it in, then boom, you are off to the races. After entering your topic, you'll be asked to define your target audience. Here's the tips. Always choose the broad audience option because this makes your post more appealing to everyone. Whether they are 8 users or 80 users, you want your blog post to reach as many people as possible. Next, you need to pick the tone of your voice. For this blog, I recommend choosing engaging. A conventional and engaging tones help keep readers interested and make them more likely to read all of the way to the end. After that, AnyWord will make a few blog title options for you. Pick the one that you think is the best usually. The first one is made of the grab attention. The tools will also make an outline for your blog. It's broken down into sections like the blog introduction, bodies, and its conclusion, which make the whole process smoother. You don't need to change anything at this point. Just click next and AnyWord will generate the full blog post for you. One of the things I love most about AnyWord is that it helps you write quickly, but here's the trick. Don't do too much, sometimes less is more. If the blog already feels solid, don't add unnecessary fluff to your blog. Your readers don't want to get overwhelmed because of too much info. Once your blog is ready, copy it using the copy to clipboard button and paste it into a Google Doc. Simple, right? Using ChatGPT to create blog. Next up is ChatGPT, which is, to be honest, is actually my favorite. But before you start, I'll tell you a little secret. To use ChatGPT effectively, you need to use a Chrome extension called Web ChatGPT. This extension connects ChatGPT to the internet so it can use and give you real-time data and generate more relevant recent blog posts. Once you have installed Web ChatGPT, you can find it by simply search the Web ChatGPT extension on Google. Now go back to ChatGPT and essentially you are ready to go. With Web ChatGPT, you can use the feature one-click prompt, which makes the entire process simple. It's an amazing tool that makes it easier to get the perfect prompt without you having to think too much. When you use Web ChatGPT, it will help you by guiding you to select and optimize article style that sound natural and human, like you will also be asked for your topic. Just type whatever your topic is, in this case, Premier Leagues, and hit run this prompt. Once you hit go, ChatGPT will generate an outline and it will start writing your blog post. However, be careful because sometimes it can be a big short on content. Don't worry, you can always ask ChatGPT to expand on specific section or tell it to write it in a minimum amount of words. For example, if you feel the introduction needs more depth, you can ask it to elaborate to write it with a minimum of 500 words. It's all about making the content to suit your needs. If ChatGPT adds any section that you don't want, like facts, you can easily remove them or tell it to not add one. This customization is one of the reasons I love using ChatGPT. It's flexible, adaptable, and saves me a ton of time. Once you have got your post ready, simply cover everything and paste it into a Google Doc for later, and just like that, you have a blog post that you can post ASAP. Number 3, Medium versus Google site. Okay, now that you have written your blog posts, it's time to publish them. This is where the fun really begins. You have a few different platforms to choose from, but Today, I'm going to give you two popular options, Medium and Google Sites. Posting on Medium. Medium is a popular blogging platform known for its clean minimalist design. If you are looking for something easy to understand and use, Medium is the way to go. Once you sign up for a free account, you can just simply click on Right Now and paste your entire blog post there. It does all of the heavy lifting, automatically formatting your content well. A little trick I want to let you in on, you can always change the title or make small edits to the introduction to make it more punchy. But to be honest, once your post is in the Medium, most of the time the blog is formatted perfectly. Blogs in Medium have a simply and minimalistic style. This helps readers focus only on the content. It's a great platform for those who just like writing and don't want to worry about the design elements of the blogs. Posting on Google Sites. Google Sites is another good option, but it requires a little more work if you want to personalize your layout. Unlike Medium, however, Google Sites give you more flexibility in terms of design. You can change the fonts and images in your blog and customize the overall looks of your blog. It's free and it's an amazing platform if you want more control over the presentation of your content. To get started, just press your blog post into the text box, adjust the formatting, and add any visual or media you want to put. You can change the layout, the fonts, and create the unique design that you think fits your blog post vibes. Number 4, how to make money from your blogs. Now that you have chosen a topic, write in your blogs and publish it. But here's the question. How do you make money from your blog? Well, the good news is there are a lot of ways to turn your blog into a source of income. Let's look at a few of them. Affiliate marketing. One of the best ways to make money blogging is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services within your blogs and earning a commission whenever someone clicks on your link and buys something. There are many programs available, including Amazon Associates, Share a Sales, and more. What's more, it's a passive income stream. Once your blog post is posted, you continue earning money whenever someone buys something through your link. Ad networks like Google AdSense. Once your blog starts to attract visitors, you can monetize it using Google AdSense. This is an ads network that places ads on your blog. Whenever someone clicks on one of those, you can earn money. While the payout per click is not huge, the key to making money is generating consistent traffic. Over time, as more people visit your site, bit by bit, your earning will grow. Selling digital products. Another good way to monetize your blog is by selling products. Digital products. If you are skilled in a particular area, consider creating and selling ebooks, online courses, templates, or printable on it. Once you create the product, you can sell it over and over again. You don't have to do too much work for potentially huge rewards. Number 5, consistency. Finally, here's the secret to success. Consistency. Blogging consistently is the key in this entire strategy. Sure, it can take time to build up an audience, but the more blogs you publish, the more traffic you gain, and the more traffic you get, and the more opportunities there are to make money. So whether you are using any word or ChatGPT, or even both, just remember that success won't come immediately. Just remember to stay consistent, keep posting, and before you know it, your blog will grow and income is sure to follow. You have got this. Do you want to know more tips and tricks in making money? Click subscribe for more videos like this. Would you like to know how to make $997? Just by on YouTube, click this video to know more. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace, bye.